we'll guide you through how to make a checklist in Google Keep. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because Google Keep is widely used for simple note-taking, but many users are unaware of its checklist feature. They want an easy way to organize tasks, track daily activities, and manage to-do lists efficiently without using complex apps, making this guide helpful for improving productivity and staying organized. To make a checklist in Google Keep, begin by opening your portal browser on your device. Once it is open, type in Google Keep Notes in the search bar and press Enter. From the search results, select the top option to access the official page. After that, log into your account using your credentials so you can start creating notes. When you are logged in, create a new note from scratch by clicking on the Note Creation area. Then, make your own title by typing a clear and relevant heading at the top of the note. Once you are done with your title, click on the three dots located in your note settings to open more options. From the menu that appears, choose Show Checkboxes to enable checklist mode. Next, type in a list you want for your checklist by entering each item you need to track. If you want to expand your checklist, create another checkbox by adding more items as needed. To organize multiple entries efficiently, make a row of checkboxes by clicking the List Item option for each new point. After that, name the checkboxes by typing directly next to each checkbox so every item is clearly labeled. You can also move the priority of your list by dragging your mouse downward or upward using the 6 dots beside one of your list items. This allows you to rearrange tasks based on importance. When you complete a task, you can check the box of the list to mark it as done. If needed, the checkbox can also be unchecked by clicking the checkbox in the Complete Item tab to return it to the active list. If you prefer a cleaner look, hide your checkboxes by clicking the 3 dots again and choosing Hide Checkboxes. Finally, give a reminder in your note to make sure you stay aware of your list by pressing the Remind Me button and setting your preferred time or date.